This is a generic database file. It could be SQL Base, SQL Server, or others. It is not a document. It is a backend file for an application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the usage. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure DBS formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my #1 choice near the end of this guide. A DBS file is a database file primarily associated with SQL Server and database systems. It contains structured data organized in tables, indexes, and other database objects. These files are crucial for storing and managing information used by various applications and services, ensuring data integrity and efficient retrieval. DBS files adhere to specific database schema and data types defined within the SQL Server environment. They are typically accessed and manipulated using SQL queries and database management tools. The file structure includes metadata about the database, such as table definitions, relationships, and constraints, ensuring data consistency and reliability. SQL Server, developed by Microsoft, serves as the industry application standard for DBS. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows provides limited insight, so specialized tools must interpret the data. Open the menu by right-clicking your DBS file and choosing Open With. Test SQL Server first if it is visible. If not, select another application. Different tools have different strengths with specific formats. When a DBS file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We know the DBS format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, identify the creator. Determine the original database application, e.g. Access, FoxPro, or a custom application that created the file. Next, use database application. Open the file using the original database application and check for associated index or log files. Finally, convert to universal format. Use the database software's export function to save the data as a universal format like .csv or .sql. The inability to open a DBS file often points to an identity crisis, where the extension name doesn't match the file's true internal structure. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The reason I use FileMagick is simple. It can read content from corrupted archives that standard programs reject outright. It's the guaranteed way to view your DBS file. Find it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides. Grab the FileMagick tool via the description link now.